In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Invoice. We'll walk through the basic steps that will help you get familiar with how to navigate this essential tool for managing invoices and finances effortlessly. So let's dive into Zoho Invoice and start with the dashboard. Begin by navigating to the dashboard of Zoho Invoice. This is your command center where you gain an overview of all the critical financial data for your business. You'll find insights into sales, expenses, and other metrics that help you track the health of your business. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the layout and key performance indicators displayed here. Next, let's move on to the Customer section. Clicking on this option will direct you to a list of your clients. This is where you can add new customers, update contact details, and view transaction histories. Regularly updating this information ensures that your customer records are precise and up-to-date, which is essential for smooth billing operations. Now, advance to the Items tab. This section lets you manage all the products and services your business offers. Here you can add new items, categorize them, and set prices. By organizing your items effectively, you can streamline your invoicing process and increase efficiency when creating quotes or invoices. Once you've organized your items, take a look at quotes. This feature is incredibly useful for drafting estimates that can be converted into invoices. You can easily create, send, and manage your quotes within this section, ensuring that all negotiations stay organized and transparent. Following that, go to the Invoices area. This is perhaps the most vital feature of Zoho Invoice, as it allows you to create, send, and manage invoices directly. Explore the different templates and options available to customize your invoices, and ensure they meet your branding requirements. After handling invoices, focus on the Sales Receipt section. This functionality is crucial for documenting payments received in cash or through other means. Keeping accurate records of sales receipts ensures balanced accounts and insightful financial reports. Now it's time to review payments received. This tab keeps track of all the payments collected from clients. It's a straightforward interface to monitor and reconcile payments, thereby reducing errors in accounting and enhancing customer relations. Moving on to recurring invoices, this feature facilitates the automation of invoices for customers with regular billing cycles. Setting up recurring invoices saves you time and ensures consistency in billing, which is particularly beneficial for subscription-based services. Let's not forget the Expenses section. Here, you manage and track all business-related expenditures. It's crucial to keep tabs on your outflow for better budgeting and resource allocation. You can upload bills, categorize them, and even link them directly to specific projects or clients. Reports serve as a powerful tool for analyzing the financial health of your business. This section provides you with detailed insights into earnings, expenses, AHs, and more through various report types. Leveraging these reports can empower you to make informed business decisions. Finally, explore advanced billing to tap into sophisticated functionalities for complex billing needs. This is especially useful for businesses that require more than the standard invoicing capabilities, providing solutions tailored to advanced financial operations. Each step of navigating Zoho Invoice is a building block in managing your financial landscape more effectively. By taking the time to understand and utilize each feature, you can enhance your business's invoicing processes and maintain accurate financial records. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials.